different other AI agents here as well, but you can see all the code here. So I'll show you everything how it works here in this video, but you can see all the other agents as well. We got the base agent, we got the CoinGecko agent, we got the copybot agent, we got the focus agent, the funding agent, the funding arb agent, the liquidation agent, the newer top agent, the RBI agent, the risk agent, the sentiment agent. We have the tweet agent that actually works with the video agent in order to take text and make it tweets and then turn it into a video. So you can strap in and watch me build all of these videos out with my AI agent today. It's so sick, bro. You can get all of this star here. This saves all the code, and then fork it copies all the code. And how do you get there? Well, you just go to moondev.com. Everybody asks me, hey, how do you automate your trading? How do you do this, that? It's all shown here in this. You get the roadmap, the Discord, and the GitHub. And then you can go here and you see to automate your trading, do all your questions forward here, and then the AI agents for trading. You get the GitHub. You know, we built the video agent because I believe code's a great equalizer. So every I automate on the internet end up being like 5 hours long. Stand not everybody have the privilege to watch. So video agent for trading, believe code's great. And I'm working on the hardest game in the world, and I show it every single day here, free on YouTube, streaming at 8 a.m. But again, they're long videos. So I built a video agent that can probably be used for a plethora of different businesses, but I'm using it so I can cut my videos that are 7-8 hours into short, concise videos. And you can listen to a couple of them here.
Rest at the end, not in the middle. That's the mindset to keep pushing forward, even when you don't have all the answers. Keep building, keep coding, and figure it out as you go.
So you can see it will just make more.
Forget
and more
about
videos.
gamble trading. I'll show you how to build a provable edge with.
It's pretty sick, dude. Pretty sick. So it uses a bunch of different.
Back end's doing its thing, but the front end
kind
keeps
of raw
crashing.
videos.
Logs show it's processing, but the output files aren't.
The voice is all AI. I'm using 11 labs, and yeah, that's it, dude. So I can't wait to show you everything. You can get all the code here on moondev.com. Get the roadmap as well, the Discord, everything you need in order to step on the gas. It's all free because I do believe code's a great equalizer. Just go here, hit the star button, and then hit the fork, and you're Gucci, dude. DeepSeek AI is really the only choice for AI agents because AI agents run 24/7. And I think that was the elephant in the room this entire time with AI agents. It's like, yeah, we want AIs that do what you do or I do, working 24/7, 3. But in my experience, since we built our first agentic flow here in November of 2023 with the RBI system, where one agent researches trading strategies, one back test and codes those back tests, one debugs. I put all that code here. The tricky part is I was spending like upward $50 to $100 a day. Now I know some developers can afford that on their fat salaries. That's fire. But is that scalable for the whole world? No, absolutely not. 50 to 100 a day? No way. There's no way. But now DeepSeek is 96% cheaper. So we bring 100 a day down to, it's 4% of the cost. From $50 to $2. Okay, $2 a day to have AI agents running 24/7. You got me there, dude. Damn, the CCP, they get all our data, but they already have all our data, dude, in my opinion. And my data ain't that hot anyways. I'm nothing. I'm just here vibing out, building, bro. They got me on the Xiaomi watch, dude. They probably got me on these Apple MacBooks. They got me on. It's okay. I'm sharing my data. From taking it from $50 a day for AI agent flows, dude, to $2 a day, that makes it essential. I'm sorry, we have to. We have to. The scary part is, forever, our website is currently under maintenance. Hey, did you just put a block up to us, US folk? Did you get us going and then you just rug pulled us? I hope not. I know it's only 7:45, 7:54 in the morning. Not even on the East Coast, so you can see here, dude. This is sketch. This is sketch, but it's the only way. It's the only way to run these AI flows, dude, or run them locally. Okay, there's another way. Boom. I thought of another way. Boom. Just like that. So if you have the hardware in order to do that, you can do that. I don't personally have the hardware for that, but I would like to know. DeepSeek run locally, computer needed. So right now, it's super cheap. So I'm running it through the cloud, but as you can see here, I'm not able to get to the cloud anymore. Hopefully it's really just down. If it is down, that's awesome. We're going to keep it pushing. If it's not down, let's go to DeepSeek, GitHub, and fully open reproduction of DeepSeek R1. So we can get fully open reproduction of DeepSeek R1 through Hugging Face. Okay, a fully open reproduction of DeepSeek R1. This repo is a work in progress. The goal of this repo is to build the missing pieces of the R1 pipeline such that everyone can produce and build on top of it. Okay, but also Grok. Never used Grok, but let's go ahead and watch this real quick.
Si quieres poner tu casa en Airbnb,
because this is another
no quieres
alternative.
andar
In
con
case this is
rodeos.
true and they're rugging us today, I don't think so, but they may.
Compañero,
Grok has just added their first racing model to their platform. DeepSeek R1 Distill Llama 70B is now available. I'm just going to quickly show you a demo of what I plugged into an application that I built. Here is just a follow-up question. You can select DeepSeek from the model dropdown and you can ask it whatever you like. Tag, and then you'll see the entertaining to read. If you have a model that has 600, they also released this DeepSeek,
Okay, so
which is
I think the way I would do it, dude.
requests per minute at 100. What I didn't quite see yet is the pricing. When I went to check that out, I saw that it isn't quite available yet, but in terms of the rate limits, so I'm on their paid tier, and right now at time of recording, it's showing requests per minute at 100, 50,000 requests per day, as well as 30,000 per minute. These numbers will vary account to account. But otherwise, kudos to the team at Grok for the great work. Let me know what you're going to be.
All right, for me, like if this goes down, dude, shout out to this guy, by the way. If this goes down, probably do the same if you enjoy this stuff. But if this goes down, if we can't get direct access to DeepSeek, explain why I have to use it. It's $50 a day down to 50 to 2 over the course of a year. Come on, how much cash you got, dude? $50 to $2. That's 96% savings, dude. Come on. I hope it's not down. If it is down, I'm going to Grok. Grok has access to it. My agent should still be working here. As you can see, I have the focus agent here. And we built this other listing arbitrage agent here. So let's go ahead and run it and see if our DeepSeek's still working. So this is a listing arbitrage. It's looking for tokens that have high volume but are not on big exchanges yet. We live, bro. What up, dude? What up, Alexa? And you can see, okay, perfect. So detailed analysis here. Agent 1. Detailed analysis is do nothing. So this is working. And I can prove that. Let's go to the cursor here. Let's make sure it's deep. Dude, we built so many agents yesterday. I just spazzed out yesterday and built 3 agents. I'll show you all of them here in a second. But let's go ahead and make sure that this one, I am quite sure it is. This is the listing arbitrage agent. The listing arb agent. And all of this is on my GitHub. Go to moondev.com to get the GitHub. You can see this is using DeepSeek chat. Perfect. So what I do now is I just put all of my code on GitHub because I believe code is a great equalizer. So go to moondev.com and you're going to get
this
everything.
what God feel like. Yeah.
On moondev.com, I have a roadmap. Everybody's always asking me, hey, Moondev, how do you automate your trading? Do you have a roadmap or anything like that? Free roadmap? Yes, I do. It's a free roadmap. Also, I have a Discord, so you can be around other people that are doing the same thing, including myself. And then also the GitHub. So that moondev.com is going to take you here. the roadmap, see exactly how to automate your trading, frequently asked questions, answer every single question you have. And then down here at the AI agents for trading, you can get to the GitHub, dude. And the GitHub's here, dude. And this is where I put all the code every day. So all you got to do is hit star. If you hit star, that saves. It's like a bookmarking of your GitHub, of my GitHub, and everything I update. If you hit the fork button, then you get all the updates. So imagine like you hit fork, it's copy, and then every time I update it, you get that update, but it's not going to mess up your code. So it's pretty sick. I try to go slow here with the GitHub part because I'm new to GitHub, and I think it's intimidating as well. But the README is really where it's at. You learn everything in the README. Just read through the README, you'll understand exactly where I'm at and the agents that we've created. We've built a trading agent. We built a strategy agent. We've built a risk agent. We built a copy bot agent. We've built a whale agent. We've built a sentiment agent. We've built a listing arbitrage agent, which you just saw. The focus agent is listening to every single word that I have, dude. Every single word that I say, and it's making sure that I'm staying on focus. I'm stepping on the gas, dude. We got the funding agent. This monitors to see when the funding rate changes. We got the liquidation agent. See when people are getting liquidated. We got the chart agent. We got the funding rate arbitrage agent. We got the RBI agent. We got the Twitter agent, and we got the video agent. So now we can make tweets. We can make tweets with these agents, dude. This is so far. We got the video agent. We got the new or top tokens agent, dude. Fire. Let's go ahead and run that newer top tokens agent ASAP because she's gonna be twerking for us too. So you can see this one is recommending thing, and I'm gonna let it run one full time, and then I'm gonna go to Conda activate T-flow, and then I'm gonna go ahead and run that newer top agent here, copy path here, and you can see I tried to write out what it does. You know, quick start here, super easy to do. This agent goes through and analyzes all of the new tokens that have been listed in CoinGecko, and then also analyzes the top movers of the last 24 hours on CoinGecko, and then makes recommendations based off that data. Okay, so let's go ahead and add that git commit agent approval agent new or top agent. push. Okay. All right. Sick, dude. Let's get it. So you know where to get the code now. You're all caught up to speed with me. I'm sorry, but this is the year of the agent, so I'm not going to be explaining too much. You can read everything I've built so far in this GitHub, and you'll understand everything. You got a quick start guide. The key is to just star the repo, dude, so you see everything, and then fork it so you copy it, dude. Come on. Let's go. It's time. Star fork, and then all of the code is in here. You can get totally up to speed with these docs, dude. If you click the docs, open these videos, and you'll see absolutely every line of code. Every single line of code that I create, dude, you get to see it all here, and you get to fully understand where we're at, where we're going, what we've done, and this will allow you to build absolutely anything you want with AI agents. And I truly believe right now, at least, and I will change my mind if needed. Right now, DeepSeek is the only way. It's 96% cheaper. I hope OpenAI drops something that levels the playing field. I don't care what models we use. And they were laughing at us for building rappers. but really, the rappers are the only things that have value, dude. The AI doesn't matter anymore. OpenAI, DeepSeek, Anthropic. I'm sorry, you guys are the commodity, and that's good. They can be the oil. They can be the oil, but they're gonna fight. They're gonna fight. They're gonna spend billions and billions of dollars to fight to have the fastest, best, cheapest AI for us, for the developers out here. That's why I'm a developer, dude. I wasn't a developer in the past. I just learned how to code 4 years ago. I was scared my whole life. I've been in tech for 15 years, bro. And I was scared to learn how to code. I've shipped so many things, bro. I've ran up so many checks, dude, off this tech stuff, dude. I was so scared to learn how to code this entire time. It's crazy, dude. But I had to learn how to code. I had to learn how to code in order to automate my trading. I was watching these charts go up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down, dude. All over the place. Chasing, getting scared, etc., bro. Stop it. It's not meant for humans. It's not meant for humans. Trading by hand is not the way to go. So I had to stop that. I had to stop that was too emotional. You can see the price here. The one catch is the context length is lower. So I feel like that's the catch. So we have my new or top tokens agent almost running here. So let's just go ahead and run it, copy path. I just wanted to explain it to you and show you where you can get it. It's all free. I believe code is a great equalizer. That's why I share this stuff. People think it's too good to be true. Probably is. You know, I probably won't be here forever. So you can see it's fetching the top gainers, and then it just got all the top gainers on CoinGecko. You can see all of them, and now it's gonna go through and just be my eyes on the street, dude. It's just gonna be my eyes on the street. I do need to build that eventually, actually. So I'm gonna put that in the README. README build a flow to run these agents every 24 hours, like the new or top agent, the other one we were running as well here. Let's go ahead and check it out. The listing ARB agent. The listing ARB agent, etc. Okay, so those are some agents that I want to run every day. Get add dot get commit slash and I'm gonna say agent updates, get push. Okay, so perfect. So okay, dude, so you know everything. You know where to get the code. You're locked. I'm locked. I gave you a good enough intro. That was a good intro, right? You understand what we're doing? Free roadmap, Discord, GitHub, so you can get caught up to speed, answer all your questions, ask around in the chat if you want. I'll chat here and there. I am locked though, and I gotta stay locked because the lights are on. I'm at 904 requests, dude. I better, if I don't have to upgrade today, I did not work hard enough. That, to me, that makes sure that that validates my work. You know, it's like, okay, Moon's actually working today because he used 200 credits. I've never hit it. I've never hit it, dude. I've never hit it. I'm trying to, dude. I'm trying to. trying to, bro. I'm trying to. All right. So let's keep it moving, bro. Let's keep it moving. Right. 777, dude. 777. Much love to you. All right. Let's keep it pushing, bro. Let's keep it pushing, bro. So you can see this is my. This looks like my wallet here. I do need to check in on that because it looks like it hasn't been making moves. So it's probably out of Solana. It is. You do you. I knew it. 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 It's all good though. Fix that. I think because I've been watching it make moves, but it's been airing out. So that was my bad. So I'm just gonna run my refund tool, and I'm also gonna get a little more. Let's see if I can find my copy bot here. My copy bot is my Solana copy bot, and it has
Make
this
a choice.
refund tool.
Right? Like you just decide what it's going to be, who you're going to be, how you're going to do it. Just decide. And then from that point, the universe is going to get out your way. It's water. It wants
Like
to,
water.
it wants to move and go around stuff, you know.
Yeah. It just wants to move and go around stuff. It's not trying to. It's not trying to slow you down, dude. The universe is like water. It's like water, dude. Just go where you want to go. You ain't gotta listen to your mama no more, dog. You can do what you want to do. You ain't gotta do what your family says. There's no way. You just do what you want to do. That's what life is, bro. That's what life is. So I'm about to go lock down the chat real quick just to make sure that no big dogs come up in here and try to pull me down today. You gotta be a subscriber to chat with me, dude. You gotta be a subscriber to shot with me. Okay, so I want to go ahead and play with my um, um actually video agent real quick. So this agent's pretty cool. This is a fun one. This isn't necessarily trading specific, but it's a good way to get my ideas that I have here in a shorter in a shorter format, and I think that is very beneficial. I believe code is a great equalizer, so I got to keep moving that way to get this to more people. You know, I I've I make I make enough. I make enough of my trading, dude, that I don't I don't need to be a billionaire off this. I would rather help. I would rather help 10,000 people become millionaires. You know, so, so I don't know. That's my play. I wanna show you guys everything while I'm getting my things done. You know, I'm not gonna waste time up here. I'm not gonna waste time. I'm always gonna be building towards my crazy algo trading goal that I won't share with you. I don't need to share my goal with people because you don't want to share your goals with people that don't understand, because all they're gonna be is like, oh, you can't do that, or oh, that's too hard, or oh, I tried that. It's like don't listen to nobody, dude. Be a data dog. Be a data dog and just figure it out yourself. If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. So, anyways, I'm gonna keep attacking my crazy goals. I'm not gonna tell you what my goals are, dude, but they are very, very absolutely crazy when it comes to algo trading. So every day I'm gonna work towards that, and I'm gonna show you everything along the way. That's what we do here around 8 a.m. Eastern. So clock in. I get a lot of people complaining about my videos being too long though. So you know, like, dude, I'm not a YouTube creator. I'm not here to make videos, dude. I just want to bring some of y'all with me. Okay, so I'm gonna make them shorter for those cats that they don't want to watch these long videos. They're not gonna make it, but hopefully a couple of them will be like, okay, I'll buy in now. And I know his videos are long, but he shows absolutely everything. So I made this agent here that will go ahead and make videos for me. They're going to be short videos, like 10 to 15 seconds. They're going to take pieces out of these videos. So you can see here, dude, all I got to do is throw in one of these videos, my videos, go to Munda. I throw in one of these videos and it'll make short videos for me. So I do want to make a couple of updates here. So input file, raw vid directory. Okay, so this is what I want to do. I want to run this first off. Just gonna run it. It's gonna skip a bunch of them. I got a bunch of duplicates, and you can see here it's gonna output these videos here in the data folder. These videos are slick, bro. They're not like absolutely amazing, but
AI keeps getting cheaper and better, and it's exciting to see how far it's come. Automating the repetitive stuff is the next step, and it's crazy to think about.
yep, there we go. And then I'm gonna start renaming these because AI just keeps getting cheaper and cheaper. Thank you, DeepSeek. Okay, that's a solid video, so I'll just save that one.
Automated trading is getting cheaper and faster thanks to DeepSeek. Their AI model is a side project from a quant firm in China, and it's changing the game. Check out the roadmap and GitHub for everything you need to get started.
So I'm just trying little titles here because then I can understand what these are.
Automating trading with AI agents is the future. If you're curious, check out the roadmap at mv.com. It's all there. Discord, GitHub, and the tools to get started. Let's keep building and improving.
So you can see these green ones, they're just dropping new videos on me, dude. I don't want to use this one. Do I delete it? No, because then that's the question. I'm trying to think through this workflow, dude.
Automate your trading with a proven bot system backed by real data and thousands of hours of research. No overnight billionaires here, just a framework I use to manage my own portfolio. Step up, join the algo trade camp, and let's make it happen.
Okay, so automate your trading, but you won't become an overnight billionaire.
Automating trading isn't about downloading someone else's bot. It's about building your own. Learn to code, strategies and create bots that work for you. That's how you avoid scams and build real cash flow.
So automating your trading isn't about downloading somebody else's bot. I think this is the one that we don't do.
Automating trading with AI agents is the future. If you're curious, check out the roadmap at mv.com. It's all there. Back end's doing its thing, but the front end keeps crashing. Logs show it's processing, but the output files aren't showing up. Gotta keep pushing through and figure this out.
These bugs be killing me, man.
ByteDance just open sourced a tool to control your computer with AI. It's free, lightweight, and takes 2 minutes to set up. Open source AI is moving fast, and it's exciting to see what's next.
So ByteDance dropped an open source model. That's fire, dude.
Automating trading with AI agents is the future. If you're curious, check out the roadmap at mv.com. It's
Okay, we're done with this one actually. So that's awesome to see. How do I do this workflow? That's one thing I'm really thinking about today is how do I get this done quickly? Input text file, tweets 10, 950, 900, 940 here. So the way I'm doing this, dude, is I'm going from my tweets, and these aren't real. These aren't like I made these tweets. The AI made these tweets, but the thing is it made these tweets off of my video. So like, watch this. I'm gonna go copy this path here, and I'm gonna run the video agent again. So this video agent creates based off of tweets that another AI built based off of my videos, because I get so much heat for these long videos, dude. You don't get it. It's like, bro, I thought y'all would like long videos and me showing you absolutely everything. I get people dragging me all day. Your videos are too long. My time is too valuable. Bro, you ain't gotta watch my videos. But for all those little hoes out out there that need shorter videos, I understand. And it's probably you, because we all need shorter videos. I don't like long videos either. That's why I'm doing it, dog. Okay, so let's run it back, because we got a new input text, and it will skip any that is created already. So it's just making videos for me. This video agent is just popping all day, and then I'm going through it, and I'm just making the like titles pretty much. It already makes good titles, but oh snap, dude. That's another
10
thing.
error analyzing focus.
What happened? What was the error? Recommendation here. Do nothing. What was the error? Error expecting value. Okay, we got 8 out of 10. So, okay, we're good. We're good. Other ones are fine. So this is my focus agent that makes sure that I'm staying focused, locked all day, dude. So I'm gonna keep him down here. That's the drill sergeant.
Percent of manual traders lose money. I want to help you break free from that cycle. Join the Algo Trade Camp and learn how to build bots that trade for you, so you can focus on what really matters.
%95% of traders lose money. Okay, so what else we got here? So these are just outputting the agents just running here, just making new videos.
Automated trading is a grind, but Mood.com's free roadmap makes it easier. Learn to code, build bots, and use AI. It's all there.
I'm not gonna use that one.
Automating trading with AI agents is the future. Tools to get started. Let's keep building and improving. Automating your trading doesn't have to be complicated. I've spent 1,200 plus hours creating free tutorials to help you get started. If you're ready to take it seriously, check out the Algo Trade Camp. VIP gets lifetime access and weekly
To be complicated.
Birdie changed their API calls.
Birdie.
Moved the USD value column. Now I have to call the price for each token.
So I'm not going to use all these.
Building a front end for an RBI agent with fast apply. User inputs links, gets back test results, and can download strategies, keeping it fun with a rotating moon in the terminal.
I think I might just start deleting these, to be honest. I think I'm going to delete them because that'll be better. Just delete them. The ones that I don't want, at least.
Automated trading bots can change the game if you're willing to put in the work. It's not about overnight success, but building systems that work for you over time.
So automated trading will only work for super hungry people.
Automated trading isn't about gambling. It's about building a provable edge. Jim Simons made billions with bots, and you can too. Start small, test rigorously, and let the bots do the work. It's help with that.
Automated trading is about building proven edge, not gambling.
Automating trading doesn't have to be complicated. My RBI framework, research, back test, implement, helps you build bots that work. I've made hundreds of thousands with this system, and I'll teach you step by step, even if you don't know how to code.
Really doesn't have to be complicated.
Automated trading isn't about luck. It's about patterns. Jim Simons built a 31 beater fortune with bots. The key: research, backtest, and deploy. If you're serious about trading, automation is the way. Automating your trading isn't about luck. It's about building, testing, and deploying strategies. One good bot can change everything. The key is research, back testing, and implementation. Success is repeatable if you follow the process.
It isn't luck.
Automating your trading starts with 3 steps. Build great trading ideas, test them in the past, and deploy them with small size. If you can do this, success is repeatable. It's called the RBI framework, research, back test, implement.
These are fire, dude. These are fucking fire. I mean, for AI, let's be real.
Building a system where AI agents learn trading strategies from YouTube videos, PDFs, or written inputs. They backtest to see if it's profitable. Small steps toward big gains.
Big gains, baby. So funny. Big gains, B. Real big gains.
Building on APIs can be risky. They can cut you off at any moment, but sometimes you have to for speed. Just keep pushing even when
Building on APIs is so sketch.
building out a DeepSeek model for the RBI agent today. Adapting existing code to use DeepSeek instead of OpenAI. Goal is to simplify and document the process clearly. Built a trading bot framework that's made me hundreds of thousands. If you're serious about trading, I'll show you how to automate it and take the emotion out of the game. No gimmicks, just results.
No gimmicks, just results.
Built an AI agent flow for trading that researches, backtests, and code strategies. Debugging was the bottleneck, but with DeepSeek's cost efficiency, it's now way more accessible. All the code is on GitHub for anyone to use. Chatbox is a clean, privacy-focused desktop interface for AI models. It's free, easy to set up, and works with most models. Considering switching from Repet to Heroku for hosting, Repet costs $25 a month and isn't as easy as expected. Heroku might be more scalable.
Move to trash.
Debugging a deployment issue with the RBI agent, trying to figure out if I need the Anthropic key or if DeepSeek is enough, running into some weird errors with fast API and requirement 6. Debugging a form submission issue where it's using a get debugging and pushing through the grind, just like MLK said, can't fly, run. Can't run, walk. Can't walk, crawl. Just keep it pushing. Discipline is doing what you hate like you love it. That's the key.
It's a good one, dude. Fuck. I say something.
Debugging duplicate messages and refining strategy outputs. Front end needs to show results clearly as they come in. It's messy, but progress is progress.
Yeah, I don't want the debugging ones. They're boring.
Debugging phase is live. New folder for clean back tests, DeepSeek integration for fixing errors, and the ability to debug existing tests. Moving fast, making decisions on the fly.
DeepSeek AI now fixes all my coding errors. There's a lot. Okay.
Debugging the RBI agent and tweaking the research prompts, trying to make it more autonomous and efficient. Sometimes you got to front run the bugs and stay focused. It's all about the grind and refining the process. DeepSeek AI is 96% cheaper than OpenAI, just as good, if not better, and faster. It's a game changer for trading automation, especially with their RBI system framework. The cost savings alone are insane. DeepSeek integration makes the RBI agent more efficient and cost-effective. It researches, codes, output strategies, though some fine-tuning is still needed for accuracy.
DeepSeek AI changed the game for my.
DeepSeek is 10x cheaper than other options, making it a no-brainer for anyone while still getting solid performance. It's hard not to use it when it's big.
No brainer, dude.
DeepSeek is 99 OpenAI and just as good, making it the go-to for in trading. It's fast, efficient, and now the my used for data processing, and it's pretty neat. Pricing is 20 million tokens with a special discount. Open source and a valid choice for handling large data sets.
All my data, I'm okay with it.
DeepSeek is helping with the liquidation and updates. Massive long liquidations are 42%. AI suggests nothing with confidence. Still debugging some APIs.
Okay, I think that's plenty, right?
Deep Changer, open source, 30x cheaper, and almost as good as O. It on consumer hardware feels like playing with alien minds. My race is heating up.
Has
R1 shows that restricting access to AI is impossible. You can run a frontier model on a US getting faster on consumer hardware. Open source here to stay, and it
said rest at the end, not in the middle. And that's something I always live by. You know, I'm not going to rest now. There are a lot of answers that I don't have, questions that I don't have, but I'm just going to keep going. And I'll figure these things out as we go, right? And you just continue to build that way. So I try to live by that all the time.
Rest at the end.
Rest at the end.
rest at the end. Rest at the end, dude. So we just had this video agent here. It's using DeepSeek, dude. I'm only using DeepSeek now, bro. You thought I was capping about this? No way. No way. No way, dude. Video agent. Okay, input file here. See here, it's using DeepSeek. Is it though? Is it though? Is it though? I don't think it is actually. I don't think this one's using DeepSeek. Oh my god. You silly, silly guy. Can you tell me exactly what AI this is using here? This file? What if? Oh, I'm not using the AI in the video file. I'm just using 11 Labs. That was funny. I use DeepSeek in order to make the tweets, and the tweets are the videos are made off of. Okay. That was funny, dude. That was funny. And for me now is track which ones I've done versus not done. Copy this. Done. Yeah, that's funny, bro. This is it's a little tricky, dude. I'm not gonna cap. How do I track which videos I've already made? To make a note and be very clear about it. So, video with deep. Let's say we're done with this one. Done. Okay, so let's move to the next one. And which one was that? That was the 138. Okay, let's go here, name to done. So I've got a bunch of these, dude. So 50, 59. Let's go ahead and try this one. So I'm just gonna do all of these right now. I love this video. I just want to get them all done right now. DeepSeek for this video agent, the DeepSeek's here. And then we're using 11 Labs here and make the vids. So I'm just gonna run that now. And that's making the videos as we speak, as you can see.
All the code you need for AI-powered Solana trading is on my GitHub. Just go to mv.com map and you'll have access to 10 plus powerful trading agents. It's all fork the repo and get started. Consistent effort every day is the path to greatness. Don't drop the chance we have.
The only path to greatness is consistent.
Crazy energy, always pushing the limits, gotta love the hustle.
We always pushing the limits.
Debugging issues can be frustrating, but persistence in the route. Stay positive and keep learning.
DeepSeek. Okay, so
DeepSeek is at 96% and the competition is models dropping every week, getting closer and closer. This is the keeps the AI space.
Delete that one. I'm gonna post all these, bro.
Automate your trading with the Algo Trade Camp. Access to the boot camp and inner circle calls every Friday. 90-day money. Test it out risk-free. AI is a commodity these days. Cursor makes it super easy to implement this.
The things we build with it will be valuable. Will create the actual value.
Build great trading and create bots to automate your trading. I've made with this framework and I'll help you master it in 50.
I bet I could teach how to automate your trading in 15 days. All right, let's just keep going through here. Okay, we finished this one, so the AI one. So it made all these videos and it's just and more. And so let's go here and say done here with this. Okay. And then we'll grab this one, copy path. To the video agent that is using the Seek and then using 11 Labs. So let's go. Just run it up all day. Why not?
Percent of manual traders lose money. I went from losing to with bots. It's not about hype. It's about restarting and implementing with small size. Success is follow the framework.
One is just about testing.
Checking out a Solana trading AI agents, trading strategy, risk, sentiment, and more. All the copy.com. Just hit star and fork to get started. Wild how much is available for free. DeepSeek claims to save costs, but the real question is whether it performs as well as the worth digging into before committing.
Seek worth switching to?
DeepSeek v3 coding easier. AI is becoming a commodity. This are leveling the playing field. Sometimes the simplest solution.
DeepSeek's incredible. I don't know.
Eats everything in sight. Priorities, right? But seriously, it's life-changing. Also, stay focused on your dreams and keep.
Or work from home. Get a dog.
Building a funding rate arbitrage tokens on Hyperliquid for opportunities. If a token needs 100% yearly, it triggers an invoice announcement. Solana tokens are the focus here.
So here we go,
Automating wipe out years of bad financial decisions. The key is testing before deploying them live.
Trading bot can change everything. What else we got up here?
It detects a high funding rate of 14.83% on testing a profitable arbitrage opportunity with 85 short on Hyperliquid and buy spot elsewhere.
Funding rate arbitrages. Dude, this is so powerful, bro, because I can't make these. I can talk about it all day, but
Deploying code on replace API keys safe. Use their built-in secret system to encrypt.
I don't even use replets.
Deploying on Heroku step by step. Setting up environment to main and running commands. Hit a snoots, but working through it.
Came here and say for this one, agents that are creating videos for me.
Discipline.
Don't even think about it, bro. Just keep going. Let them find out who you are.
Into a better version of yourself.
Discipline though. Doing the
Discipline is the key to success, but do it with passion.
everything passion.
Don't fall for plug and play bot scale. Success comes from building and testing your own. I've shared my entire journey for free on YouTube. Ready to take.
Don't fall for these plug and play bots. Please. Please, please, please. Where'd it go? Oh, I said please don't fall for these plug and play bots, fans. Ooh. People will really be falling for that stuff. Like somebody's gonna get the fuck out of here, dude. You gotta put the work in. Ain't nobody sharing their edge with you. Never, dude. Never. They'll never share their edge, I promise. So be careful out there. Don't download bots. Don't try to run other people's bots. Don't do that. Stay away from that, bro. Damn, dude, I got a lot of these. I'm not gonna do this all day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, some more later. Let's push through like 20 more. I want to push through it. So let's just push through 20 more. Let's go here and video agent here. And this one is now done. So 91622. Rename to be done. And then we might as well keep this. Why not? Discipline is doing what you hate, like you love it. Do it. Do it like you love it. Okay, so this AI agent goes ahead and uses 11 labs. Yeah, that's right.
10 error analyzing focus.
So it seems that DeepSeek doesn't work every. So that's another catch. Maybe it'll work better through Grok or something.
This is key to success. Do what you hate, but do it with love, and you'll achieve.
Discipline is the key to everything.
Discipline, but it leads to a harvest of righteousness and peace. Embrace the he'll make you stronger.
Embrace the see, like, where do I even come up with this stuff?
Dude, enjoy something quick. Check out Replit. It gives you a public URL.
Replit. Get up out of here.
Automate your trading with bots and RBI framework. Research back. One good bot can offset bad financial decisions. Learn to cut flow for life.
So,
Coding Code Crusader. No idea what Crusader is, but let's keep coding. Don't fall for the hype and false promises. A successful automated trading system takes time. Locked and loaded. Time to get cracking on this DeepSeek thing.
we're always locked. Of course, I'm using DeepSeek.
Enter trading strategies or YouTube links for AI analysis and back testing. The AI builds, sends back the code so you can see it. Keep it simple and effective.
So,
A funding rate of 34.7% annual, suggesting potential for a reverse
the F is for fart.
figure after some panic and persistence. Sometimes it's tedious, but
Panicked.
finally got the output running, but it's still flickering. Back test locally like before, updates, and try again. Every problem is the solution.
Every problem is a step closer. Solution. Crusader, bro. It means
Crunch what it takes.
numbers, bro.
Building trading bots isn't easy, but with the right doable. My RBI framework ensures bots with proven strategies. No more random bots online.
Profitable trading bots is not
Building AI agent process, but need to carefully model the economic while. Automates high potential opportunities.
I was a
Always feel that you count and have what others say.
you count, bro.
Are rare and short-lived.
It's a good one. It's a great one, bro.
Don't be ashamed of who you are. Your life has ultimate.
Who you are. I'm just gonna keep pushing, dude. I'm just gonna finish this. Next one in here. Damn, we got a lot here, but these are all really good, and they're getting my mind right all day. Maybe I won't do all these right now, but I want to get to coding a bit, so and get 10 more, 20 more. I don't know. Let me get them all. Yeah, let's do that. In the tweets folder here. Tweets. Okay, this one's done. Rename to be done. So done up to the 26 video. I did not Jan 27 or 28 yet. Also didn't only did so really no for Jan 22. So you can see there's unlimited. I can just because I'm here for so long. It's really crazy, dude. We're really stepping on the gas. We're really stepping on the gas.
We must keep moving, keep going. Fly, run. If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, but by all means, keep.
Nick for years, dude. Been trying to get my attention for years. You got my. How you doing, bro? Locking in. He been here. He been glazing me. I love it, dude. I love it, bro. People got all types of things, dude. You gotta remember, dude. I didn't start any of this. So don't compare myself to you because we're not the same. We're not even close to the same. He says no one cares about selling training courses. Traders are greedy mofos that just want to. I already got the bag, dude. I've always been a team player. I've always been. So this is just me on and just want to get yourself off. Yeah, of course, you would never anybody. Of course, I get it. Here. That's why I'm here, dude. God, higher power is, they put me here because I'm the only one autistic enough to actually share. I leak my edge every day. And then I get fooled and literally glazing me for 3 years. For 3 years, dude. He been here for 3 years, watching every video. Take me down, but that's okay. I'm gonna keep going. You 777. The chat, unfortunately, every time I come back, it's down back. He probably got licked today. He's been around here, dude. I seen him. I seen him in the comments before the streams, dude. So much love. I don't know why you're still here, dude. And I love you too. If you're in the world, please do not talk to me. Nobody, please don't talk to me. If you're not pushing value, bro, please don't talk to me value or somebody in the chat word. Don't say a word. Because someday I won't show up. I promise you I won't show up, dude. I promise you, dude. I'm going the fucking extra mile to make this shorter for Nick, dude. Nick's been here for 3 years on my... And he's subscribed. Subscriber chat only. Subscriber chat only, bro. You see how much value it's all free. It's free. Dumb motherfuckers like Nick build this for everybody in the world. Nick ain't giving nobody no value in this world, dude. Come on. Come at me. Please give value. Please, if you're gonna come at me, somebody, give him a smile at least. Stop. Dude that walks around all day, doesn't accept his phone, dude. Look up. Pick your chin up, dog. Pick your chin up. Say hello to the person standing next to you. Stop being a little lone egg. This is your only day. That's why I gotta give it to you. Send some love. Give some value. This shit is free. Everything I've done in the 4 years has been free, bro. That begged me for a course, a place that they can algo traders, dude. You see, we step on the $69 for the do have the boot camp, but that was begged out of me. I wanted free. I believe code's great. I believe if I show all of this, dude, you can build anything about algo trading. A free roadmap. You've much value to the world ever. I know it, Nick. I know it, Russ. You know me. You ads. I don't run ads thing. Anybody here glaze bad, like you found me. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to no. This is your life. This is all free.
Stay focused on your distractions. Every relevant chatter is a moment lost.
Thank you, dude. I just had to tell Nick that he's a fuck boy for being here for 3 years. Literally comments for 3 years. Me down at the end. Okay. What up, dude? What up? 777. Chilling some stuff too. God, Nick down bad, boy. Oh God. 7-7 left to you guys. Thank you for throwing the 7-7-7. 5777. Thank you. Much love to you, Michael. 777. So this is everything I show here in the GitHub for free. Don't fuck with me. That's fine. I'm gonna keep pushing, dude. I've let agents here for free. You always sound high AF, man. Cause I'm locked. I'm in a deep every time I'm here, dude. Of course. You know I got the sounds in my keep me chill, relax. I got people in the chat me down. I gotta stay chill. Oh man. I'm just gonna do this shit. Fuck that. I'm just kidding, dude. I know that count the 7-7-7s, dude. The 7-7 good, like people enjoy this stuff, but then I look, and I know I shouldn't even Nick. I've seen Nick for so many years. He's Dick for so many years. So see negative. It's like, damn, bro. I feel you. I feel you, bro. Okay, it looks fun as well, actually. Cool. So we got all the videos done. Short, concise videos. The rest of the world that doesn't want to learn. I'm gonna do this each week. Everything. I'm gonna show you everything. I want to be completely transparent, dude. You get all the code. You get lit of an AI agent that videos for you, except Moondive free. So yeah.
AI agents for Solana trading. Acme.com. GitHub has 10 plus A's. Risk, sentiment. Build your own trading bot with this powerful AI funding rate analyst arbitrage opportunities on Hyperliquid.
Looks profitable. Arbitrages.
Analyzes with AI to arbitrage plays.
This AI agent is slick.
Automating your trading can be. Learn the RBI framework, research, test them, and implement the winners. Step up Trade Camp to master automated data.
Everything.
Building an AI this strategy, still working out whether it's profitable despite the challenge to feedback and ideas from the community. Calculating break-even is key.
I don't like that one.
Something that truly exists in all of us. It's very simple.
Coding
is what I believe.
Got to keep that whiteboard updated and listen to what about it.
Yeah. Period.
Gotta keep whiteboarding and be a good coder.
Coding Crusader doesn't know what Crusader is, just focusing on the work.
Crusader.
Skills are a great equalizer. Anyone can trading systems and create sustainable cash flow. Test thoroughly and approach.
Code is a great.
Don't be guilty of discipline. The rewards of perseverance improvement are immeasurable. Keep
worth it, dude.
Don't build your own. I have over 120 hours to teach you step by step how to trading the right way.
Random trading bots.
Discipline, but it's not always easy. Embracing the struggle, harvest of righteousness and peace.
Not easy, dude.
Don't get to failures. With the right framework, algo trading success is possible, even for solo traders' rooms. The key is discipline. Don't let anyone make you feel like you're nobody. Always believe in dignity. MLK Jr. had.
You deserve it all, bro.
First try success with the debug agent cooked up some heat. Time to add every bug and keep refining the process. The code won't write itself.
Debugging agent is cooking.
Focus on unlocking your potential, especially when refining the messy parts.
Damn, I deleted it. Oh man. The key to everything. Cause
Forget about it. I'll show you how to build a provable edge with my RBI framework.
stop gamble trading. I like that.
Front end's throwing errors, but the back end's fine. Logs show progress, but the output file. Got to figure out why it's not syncing.
So many errors.
Hyperliquid for high funding opportunities.
Funding agent scan Hyperliquid for ARBs.
Funding arbitrage agent flags 0.65% annualized funding rate on Trump. A high confidence arbitrage play. Short hype elsewhere to capitalize on the opportunity. Arbitrage can be tricky.
Funding arbitrage can be tricky.
Funding rate arbitrage can be tricky.
So,
Funding rate arbitrage can be profitable, but watch out for.
when doing rate arbitrage, you have to watch out for slip and fees.
Funding rates can indicate market conditions.
Funding rates are a nice secret to market conditions.
Funding rates don't profit.
So,
Getting started is easy. To access the roadmap and GitHub resources. Have full access to the code and customize it to your needs. This is a powerful system that can help take your Solana trading to the next. Giving up at the first sign of surefire way to fail. With discipline and commitment come any obstacle.
please don't give up, bro. Never give up.
Goal is to maximize returns by capitalizing on high funding rates. Up, but the machine learning got the web view up, but the machine learning flickers. Geez, not sure if it's a server issue or something else.
It's kind of random.
Grabbing liquidation data and open volume data from the API. Time, but it's running. All the code is on GitHub. Father was a crusader. Concentrate all your thoughts upon the work at hand. Please do not burn until.
Oh, that's where it's getting it from. I was like, I don't say those words. I don't even know the.
DeepSeek to say that's pretty fire. If $500 billion for AI, that's wild. If it's true, step on the gas because DeepSeek moves. This AI battle is heating up every week.
Okay, I feel like this is enough. I've done a lot.
$500 billion is development, and it's wild to see how much it's changing the game. Code feels like unlocking a cheat code for the future.
Learning to code is the future's cheat code.
Have API right now, but the agents are still running strong. Keep iterating and improving. This is all part of the journey. Stay positive, and the rewards will come.
Just iterate. This one doesn't even have the name right, so just keep iterating, bro.
That made me hundreds of thousands. Now I'm sharing print to help others automate their trade days. No coding experience will teach you step by step. I could also make a solid living, but the key is to never run someone else's bot. I lost bot because you can't trust what you download. Build your own or risk losing everything.
So let's go here. I lost 10K on my first bot.
I just rebuilt the trading strategies of the all-time Jim Simons and built bots that can life.
I just copied Jim Simons.
My first bot because I didn't test it properly. RBI framework, research, backtest, ensure only profit.
I lost 10K on my first trade.
A regular dude who figured out a better way to approach the market. Automated my trading and it's changed my life. I've got hours of free tutorials on YouTube.
Just a regular dude with better approach to trading than
I'm
me.
just a regular better way to trade. No fancy office, no, it's me, my computer, and a passion for automating trading. I share my blueprint with you at the Algo Trade Camp. I'm not here to hype and transparently share what's worked for me. Hundreds of thousands with my bot framework, and I'm
Error analyzing focus.
started with 10K and lost it all on my. That's when I created the RBI framework. Only run bots that are proven to work, but never run someone.
I said, oh.
I started with zero coding first bot in my bedroom. It took hours. I automate trading strategies and share them. Coding is
And now you're back at it again. You know,
I've
look
been
how
using
much
trading
more
bots to
training I
manage
have
my personal
done by
portfolio.
simply.
It's allowed
So
me
now
to
you
take
do
the
that.
money,
Years
build
go
consistent
on.
profits.
The separate have with your
Join my Algo
competitors and
Trade
your peers
Camp, and I'll
just
show you
grows
my.
larger and larger and larger. And by year 5 or 6,
I built a free
what kind of work
roadmap
they
for
doing? Something to
automated
catch up.
research, backtesting, and strategy implementation. If you time and money by helping you avoid check it out at. You can constantly research new trading ideas, implement successful ones into bots. You're on your way to becoming a trader. It's all about the process. If you can map testing and deploying profitable trading bots, potentially create generational wealth. Best like Jim's. If you can research, backtest, and is into a bot, you're on your way to becoming a profitable algo. It's about hype. It's about building systems that work over time. If you can research trading ideas them and deploy bots with small size, you're an algo trading. It's repeatable and proven. The RBI framework. Research, backtest, implement. If you don't know how to code, didn't either. I'll teach you step by step in the next 15 days. Built a bot that made me hundreds of thousands, and I'm just a guy.
With a white.
If you're an ambitious crypto trader, build a trading bot that trades for you for life. No staring at charts, just consistent profits.
For our ambitious crypto traders here.
If you're new to coding, don't start it from 0 to. Automate your trading now, not later. Cash flow for life, not chasing quick wins.
It's for idea.
If you're serious about algo trading, join the Algo Trade Camp. I'll teach you how to automate your 15 days, even if you don't know how to. If you're automating your trading, the 15-day out is for you. It's not about making it, simplifying it so anyone can do it. If you're serious, stop gambling and start automating. Learn to code and deploy bots with small sizes. It's not easy. Losing money trading due to emotions. This is built a trading bot framework that's helped me automate.
Losing money due to emotion.
Instead of staring at charts and letting emotions mess. Algo Trade Camp might be for you. It's a fit to help you automate your trading with proven bots and VIP tickets. Get lifetime Zoom calls. Thing you ever wanted and capturing that feeling. That's the easiest way to. It's all about the vision and creating your own environment.
Everything you ever wanted. Capture that feeling.
Books and read more books to keep learning.
Just keep reading.